मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनकी सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। Now we have first speech prepared by Barina India. Please welcome with a warm round of applause. मुझे फख्र है, मुझे नाज है, मेरा हर अदा कमाल है। मुझे फख्र है, मुझे नाज है, मेरा हर अदा कमाल है। मैं वो लफ्ज कैसे करूं बयां, मेरा ए एकेडमी बेमिसाल है। Honorable head of training, dignified faculty, and my dear comrades, this is me, Barina Ilyas. I belong from A Academy, Kabret. Today I want to say something about Abax Academy. So you know how sometimes in math class, the teacher asks us a question, and before you can even grab your pencil, someone in your class already has the answer. Or how sometimes you just wish math was not so boring. Well, I used to feel that way too, but not more, thanks to this amazing place called Abax Academy, India. Seriously, before I started here, I thought math was just okay, but now I actually love it. Abax Academy is not just another tutoring center, it's like Bollywood center, and it's the master of our brains. Academy India. It's a secret training ground for our brain. What exactly do I do there? I learned to use something called an abax. It looks like a bunch of beads on roads, right? Like a fancy counting toy. But trust me, it's a way more than that. My teachers in A Academy India showed me how to use it to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even super fast division. And at first you use the actual abax sliding the beads. For example, to add 2 plus 3, I will move 2 beads up, then 3. The answer was 5, for example. Now, but the magic happens when you start doing it. My teacher, Mr. Safir sir, calls it having mental math. And Mr. Safir sir feels like having a calculator built right into my brain. Like if someone asks me to add 78 plus 45, instead of writing it down, I can actually see the abax in my mind and move the beads. And the boom, the answer is 123 in my brain. The cool thing about Abax Academy India is that how they teach. They are super dedicated to making us smart. Like they do not just use old textbooks. My instructors, they are always researching and trying out new things to make learning easier and more fun. They even make their own special books and activities that explain in a way just in clicks. It's not like boring homework. Sometimes it feels like we are playing games, but we actually learning tons. For instance, we might have time with challenge where we race to solve problems using our mental abax. It makes you want to get faster every time. And speaking of teachers, mine are the best. They are not just good at math, but do you really know how to explain things? They are specially trained and certified by Abax Academy India itself. So you know you are getting top-notch help. If you don't understand something, they will still sit with you and explain it in a different way. Until it makes sense. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing. They really care about how I learn. Like if I am struggling with multiplication, my teacher give me extra practice specifically for that until I get it instead of just going on. Plus, they are very flexible. I go for my neighborhood, which is great because I get to meet other kids my age who are also learning. But of my friends take online classes in their own computers, and they say it's just a good with interactive stuff on computers. So no matter how busy your schedule is, there's an option that works. And guess what? All this abax training doesn't help just this is math, but I can also count the windows of my kitchen. That first window is in yellow color, second window is in red color, third window is in black color, and fourth window is in white color. This is due to the abax, the mental math. But in my science and social studies too, it also helps me to understand the topics. And remember, this was written in my page number 22. This was written in my page number 41. My mathematics, physics chapter, it was written in page number 1. And there is a topic, there is a motion, it's written in page number 2. Due to the mentality more and feel super confident in school, you should totally check out Apex Academy India. It is changing how I think about learning and I bet it can do the same thing for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.